If you're struggling to get your 1000 subscribers, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your 1000 subscribers using just your just your picture. And we would say this is the laziest method for any creator to get their 1000 subscribers. So you want to watch this video step by step. Don't skip any step so you can get the subscribers before the end of this year. So guys, if this is your first time of seeing my face on your screen, please hit that subscribe button, because here we grow together. And don't forget to like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me give you 2 seconds. 1, 2. Oh yeah, like the video. Let's go straight into the video. Make sure you follow me step by step. Let's go into the video. So guys, the first thing you're going to do on your phone, go to CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, go and download that from your Play Store. So we're going to be using CapCut. So now this is how the interface looks like. You're going to click on new video. Okay, so once you click on new video, we'll go to photos. Now we're going to select some of my photos. So if you have any fine pictures you have taken, you know, for the ladies, any pretty picture at all, just select as much as you can. So let's select it here. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to use 10 pictures to illustrate this. So you can choose as many pictures as you want. So after selecting the pictures, you're going to go to add. So now you have added all those pictures. So if you screw, you're going to see all those pictures have been added. This thing is very simple. In fact, it's just a lazy man's method. Now let's just add some little transitions to these pictures. So for the first picture, here's the first picture I have here. So let's add transition. You click there. Let's just look for something very simple and easy, not too stressful. Let's see. Let's go for this one. So I'm going to go for this. So I have this already for the first one. So let's go to the second picture. Pick another transition. You come over. Just look for any transition of your choice. So you can use the free version of CapCut, and you can also use the paid version. So here we are picking transitions to make these pictures look unique and beautiful. Now click another transition. Let's pick another one. You can decide to use the same transition for everything, okay? So that's for this. Pick another one. Let's pick this one. Now come over here, pick another transition. Guys, follow me step by step, okay? Don't miss any step. So make sure you're picking nice transitions of your choice. You can use one transition for everything. So let's pick this one. Nice. Another transition. So this is how you just be picking transitions from the beginning to the end of your pictures, okay? So you pick another one. Let's pick this one. Okay, so let's see. All right, so what we're going to do here, you're going to play from the beginning. There is no sound, mind you, there is no sound on these pictures. So if you play these pictures, you're going to see the transitions coming in, okay? So let's go back and play everything. So you can see the transitions are already activated. So once you are done doing this, if you want to color grade, you can delete the ending part of CapCut. Just delete it. If you want to color grade, good for you. If you don't want to color grade, but let me just add that as a bonus to this. So let's go to adjust. So you click on adjust. Okay, so go to brightness. You can decide to pick here. Just touch these things, play around them, okay? I'm not going to say, oh, this is the number of saturation. Just play around these things. Brilliant, sharpen, clarity. This HSL, just play around it. Just play around it. Okay? You're going to be noticing the effects will be taking place in your pictures. All right? So let's go to temperature. I think I like that one very much. Okay, this is cool. So you can notice it's changing, okay? So you're going to see here, it just affected the beginning of this picture. So you're just going to drag through to the ending of our pictures. So you can see this pictures is just 30 seconds long, okay? So you have that all through the pictures, okay? So the next thing you're going to do here, export this picture. So you just go up there, click on export, export everything, okay? So this is just going to take you a little while, at most 1 minute. You're done exporting your pictures. So make sure you do this with your pictures. Any beautiful picture you have in your phone and all of that. So while this is exporting, we're done exporting, okay? So done. Now let's go over to your YouTube app, okay? YouTube app. You click on your YouTube app, right? So now the next thing you want to do here is to click on the plus sign. Let me go back. So you guys will not say, you do not understand. Click on the plus sign. Let's go over to shorts. So this is going to be shorts. We're going to be doing this with our short part of our video. So you click on this video, pictures we just extracted from CapCut. As you can see, it's already playing, okay? If you don't understand, let me go back so you understand very well. Let me go back so you guys can get it. So once you come here, you come to your YouTube app, you click on the plus sign. So once you click on the plus sign, go over to shorts. We're making use of shorts. So you click on the pictures we just combined from CapCut, arrange it to your taste. Now you see it's playing already. Now this is the trick. This is where the trick comes in. So once you're done, it's going to take a while to process. Now we are going to add sound. Add sound, guys. If you see here, you already have recommended sound. So guys, I will advise you to go for sounds that has more views, like people have used this sound more, okay? So let's say we're going to use this one, 2.7 million. All I want is Christmas. I hope you guys are following me. So you click on this. Okay? I don't want it to play. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. So you can see the sound is already playing, all right? I'm just trying to mute it because I don't want it to have a copyright for the video, but it will not affect your shots. This will not affect your shots. So you can see the music is playing in the background. Guys, once you do this, trust me, you post it on your shots. It will give you subscribers like back to back. You'll be getting subscribers now and then. So the next thing you just have to do, very simple, just click on next. And while that is going to take a while to process, you will just add your details, okay? You can just say beautiful memories, something catchy. Remember, put a title that is catchy. Then use the hashtag. I like FYP. Then use hashtag trending. Okay. So guys, you can see these hashtags. They are nice. Trending shorts. I think that's fine. So once you're done doing this, you just go back. You change the visibility. You can see here it's private. Turn to public. Don't forget, put your shot on public, okay? So once you're done with that, now there's another thing I'm going to give you in this thing is a bonus. If you want your shorts to give you not just subscribers, you also want it to give you views on your videos. You see here, related video, click on it. Now you're going to go through your videos, all the videos you've uploaded, the ones you know you want to, bring back to life or you want people to watch. Let me just click on this one. It's already there. So once people are watching this short, they'll be seeing your video as well. So once you're done with this, you can go to altered content. Do any of the following describe your content? Make a real person appear. Read all of this. No, this is just a simple picture short. So once you're done, guys, click on upload short. Just go and sleep. Wake up. You will see the way you will be getting views, not just views, subscribers. So I'm not going to be uploading this because I'm not trying to upload now. But trust me, this is working really well. And make sure you try this on your channel before the year runs out. You will get your subscribers. Trust me. If you found this video really helpful and if this is something you want to try on your channel, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to see you guys in another video. So guys, bye.